Hi, this is Nikken PiMag with Proactive Wellness and Prosperity, and I'm in the process of changing my water filter with my Waterfall, my PiMag Waterfall from Nikken. And I've let this filter soak overnight. You don't need to let it soak that long, and the sponge, and so I'm going to change this. So first I have to take off the old filter and put the new filter. Here, put this camera down here. So I took out, to push that down, discard that filter, put this back on, okay, there's the top layer there. Okay, you've got this, and you're going to get the old sponge back and squeeze some of the water out. And then there's a little spindle here. Just put it on the hole and push out any air and put this top back on it. Okay, and then I'm going to, it's not right, put this back on, and put the filter in and make sure it seats. Okay, and then put this back on. And then you can pour water in, and what you're going to do then is put it to, so you can dump it into a bowl or the sink, and you have to flush it. And I'm just going to take that lid off to make it easier and pour some water into it. And you need to fill that top reservoir up and flush it 2 times, maybe 3 times, and then you just pull this and then the water will come out. See? And that's how it works. That's how you change the filter. And then you'll have good tasting water. Bye.